Hello student, this is the third case of Nernst equation on fuel cell. Okay, so now this is very important cell. This is called concentration cell. Now in this case anode and cathode have same half cell. Okay, it means same metal is there and same solution is there. Now in this case M solid convert to Mx plus and Mx plus convert to M solid. Okay, clear? But in this case the concentration of both the solution is different. Now here M convert to Mx plus, it means X electron release out. This is what? Oxidation. Left hand side always oxidation and right hand side reduction. Now Mx plus gain this X electron to form Mx plus. Now here this is not M. This is not cancel out because the concentration of both the X charge M metal charge is different. Now here is a M solid. Yeah, this is also plus M X plus charge gives M. This M cancel out. You can also cancel out, and there is a M X plus charge plus M solid. Okay, this cancel out, but the concentration of this Mx plus is what? C1, and this is what? C2. Clear? Now you know the Nernst equation formula. E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591, and here is this is what? X electron. Yeah, and log of base 10 product upon reactant. Product is what? Mx plus, and reactant is also Mx plus. This is what? Concentration term. Now again you can also write E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon X electron, and this is what? 10 log of base 10, and this is what? Concentration 1 divided by concentration 2. Clear? So this is very easy formula. This is a concentration term part, and this numerical is based on this concentration part. Okay, now here you check both the metals are same but the concentration is different. At 298 Kelvin find E cell given the value of E naught Cu2 plus. You know, the first you can write E naught cell is equals to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Yeah, E naught cathode the value is 0.34 and the same for 0.34. It means the E naught cell value is 0. Same for the reaction is what? Cu gives Cu2 plus 2 electron. This is oxidation, and this Cu2 plus gain 2 electron to form again Cu solid. Now this 2 electron, but this Cu2 plus and this Cu2 plus is concentration different. This Cu2 plus concentration is what? 0.01, and this what? 0.1. Okay, now you write the formula again. E cell is equals to E naught cell is what? 0 minus 0.0591, and there is a difference of electron is 2, and log of base 10 product is what? Cu2 plus, and now the value is 0.01, and the concentration is what? The second part is 0.1, the reactant part. Yeah. Now in this case, there is a 100, 0 0 cancel, it means 1 by 10. Now here E cell minus 0.0591 divided by 2, and this is what? Log of base 10 10 to the power minus 1. Yeah. The same for E cell 0.0591 divided by 2, and minus 1 is come out the minus 1 log of base 10 10, and you know log 10 value is 1, so minus 1 multiply by this, so this is plus 0.0591 divided by 2. Now the final answer, E cell is equals to 0.0295 volt. Yeah. Now the next part is what? Equilibrium constant. This is also important. This is the last case, case number 4. Equilibrium constant, this is known as KEQ. EQ means equivalent, and K for constant, and this is also right Kc by Nernst equation. Okay, Kc by Nernst equation. In this case, the EMF of the cell always 0 because of reversible reaction. Yeah, at equivalent Q is there na? In the last we can write the Q and then you convert to product upon reactant. So you can also write KEQ, yeah, Kc, and this is what? Temperature at 298 Kelvin. Clear? So first you write the last formula. E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of base 10 Q. Q is the coefficient, reaction coefficient. So you can also write in Q is equals to KEQ. So E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by 2 and log of base 10 KEQ. Q is equals to KEQ. And you know E cell is 0, so this is 0 is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by what? There is a n, sorry, n. Yeah. If you have 2 electron, then you put the value of n is 2, and there is a log of base 10 KEQ or Kc. Now E naught cell, the final formula is equals to 0.0591 divided by n log of base 10 KEQ. So this is a formula of what? Equilibrium constant by Nernst equation. Clear? So this is a small video. Okay, student? Thank you.